Elephant and Soccer Wolf stories. It's Pumpkin Festival time in Little Acorn Town, and this year, Cutie Elephant joins the Kids Cupcake competition.
Mummy, this year I want to make apple pumpkin cupcakes with green tea frosting.
That sounds super delicious.
The batter is ready. I'll fill the muffin tin 1 cup at a time. When I'm done, can you help me put them in the oven?
Of course. Here we go. Baking is a little like science. We measure carefully, mix gently, and the oven does the magic.
So baking is science you can eat.
That's a wonderful way to say it. Wow, they smell so good.
Now it's time for frosting. La la la. There. Perfect. Do you think the judges will like our cupcakes?
I think they will taste the love and effort you put into them.
The cupcakes are ready.
Let's pack them carefully for the competition.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining our Kids Cupcake competition. The judges are tasting the cupcakes right now, and they say they are all delicious. Attention, everyone! The judges have finished tasting the cupcakes. It's time to announce the winners. Third place goes to Cutie Elephant.
Mommy, I got 3rd place.
Yes, you did, and I'm very proud of you.
I worked really hard. I thought maybe I could get 1st place.
Working hard is already something to be proud of. Let's go look at the other cupcakes and see what we can learn.
Wow, everyone's cupcakes are so beautiful. After seeing them, I think I'm lucky to get 3rd place.
3rd place is a wonderful achievement.
Next year, I'll practice more and make an even better cupcake.
That's the spirit. I'm proud of how hard you tried.
3rd place today, 1st place next year. Bye-bye.
See you next time.
time.